Okay, next is sorted. Okay, so now I have L9, which has all of these letters as elements. So I do sorted, and then I print L9, but L9 is not sorted because sorted function as opposed to sort function. See, sorted doesn't do permanent sorting of the list. Okay, it will sort and then it will give it to you, and it's up to you to save it as an object, whatever name for the object that you give. It's not going to mess up. It's not going to mess with the original object. So it will do the sorting and give it to you. So since I didn't save it anywhere, it did all the sorting for nothing. It's not saved anywhere. So I'm printing, it's still the same. Now here, well, actually I should have one more to illustrate. So suppose, well, I don't need to do this again. It's already there. So suppose if I save it like that. Okay. So now it is sorted because the sorted elements are, I've now saved it into a name that I just made up. Okay, and now it is sorted. And here is another example of the same sorted. The same thing like we did here. Okay. Now, but yes, you can save it. So in case you want to use sorted, like sort, then the sorted elements can be saved back into the same object, which is like using sort. Okay. Now slicing, we already talked about slicing in strings. It's the same thing here. So start with 0 index. So you can access a particular element, or you can access a range of elements. You can go from backwards, -1. Okay. So here it is. Here is the example of how that works. Okay. So we have a list here, and then 2 to 4 be 0, 1, 2, and 3. So it's L and L. So -5. Okay. So 2 to 4 is this. -5. Okay, will be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So that's that. -5 to -2 is ELL. Okay. So here's some more examples. So you have L12, and these are the index. The first at the top, what you see is the index, and below it you see the actual content. And then 1 to 5 will be 1, that one, that one, that one, and that one. Okay. And then if you leave the left number before the colon blank, if you don't specify it, then that means you start from the very beginning, all the way up to 4. So that will be like 7, 2, 3, 7. Stops here. Okay. Then 5 colon, nothing after the colon means you go all the way. So nothing after the colon means you go all the way to the end. So 5, 6, 0, 1. Okay, -2. Okay. -2 to the end. 0 and 1. -6 through -2. So 3, 7, 5, and 6 up to here. Start from here, go all the way to -3, which will be up to that point. Okay.